Hello. Today we will be talking about remote working during the COVID-19 pandemic. Remote working during the COVID-19 pandemic not only changes the workplace, but also brings new challenges for organizations. Keep communication strong. Any remote employment, unlike full-time in-office jobs, necessitates a higher level of contact. Ensure that the team communication between remote employees and in-house employees is open, frequent, and consistent. You can ensure that your team is getting what they need and keeping up with their work by interacting with them often, which allows you to determine the best approach to support the team while they work from home. This could entail providing additional information, clarifications on how to perform things, or even an extra set of eyes to look over their work. Purposeful goal setting. Many people enjoy setting personal goals, but you must assist your staff in achieving clear and defined objectives. They may not have any guideposts for their work if they don't have this, and they may feel like they aren't making any progress at all. As a result, make sure that each person understands what they are working on. It will help them manage and be more productive while working from home. Bolster professional and personal development. Remote employees are unlikely to receive the same level of face-to-face professional growth from their bosses and their coworkers. While some employees may perceive this as a constraint, it can also be an opportunity for them to reflect on what they're doing and how they can improve. Employers can help their employees by establishing remote mentoring programs that pair senior employees with junior employees to provide assistance and advise on their current job and their careers. Mentoring is a terrific method to engage remote employees in this way. Integrate the latest tech and productivity tools. Employees working from home should make sure they have the greatest tools possible to stay on top of their work and stay productive. While some of them will prefer to remain with tired and true tools that have worked in the past, it's critical to make them understand that there are new tools available that can help them stay on top of everything. This might include giving them a set of policies or suggestions for new tech and productivity apps and websites. Celebrate your employees' success. It's difficult to strike a work-life balance when you're a working parent. If your workers work from home and work overtime, you should do everything you can to ensure that they are properly compensated. Full remote organizations that flourish in remote working models use this basic but typical strategy. The most important thing to be conscious of the tensions and problems that come with working remotely, and make sure every attempt to assist them in succeeding. Otherwise, they may come to believe that they are not regarded or appreciated the same way as other employees are. And these are the basic steps to help your employees while working during COVID-19 at home. Thank you for watching.